Number 1. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This truck has 147,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a striking green exterior paired with a tan interior and runs on a 6.5L turbo diesel engine with 2WD. The truck is equipped with several upgrades, including a 4-inch rough country lift, 2-inch billet adapters for 6x5.5 wheels, and 17-inch cat-eye stock wheels fitted with 285 all-terrain tires. It also features new headlights with LEDs, along with new smoke taillights and a matching third brake light. Despite running and driving well, the truck could use a few minor fixes. It needs new ball joints and an alignment, a complete exhaust system, as it currently only has a side exit from the downpipe, and the driver's door handle, though still functional, is a bit loose. Number 2. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has covered approximately 489,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a striking green metallic exterior paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. This truck is an excellent work vehicle, ready to hit the road or serve as the perfect foundation for a custom build. It has recently undergone bodywork and a fresh paint job, with the bumpers color matched to the Chevy green metallic finish. Additional custom touches include black accents on the grille and exterior handles, as well as tinted black exterior lights that give the truck a bold, modern look. Under the hood, it retains its factory 6-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering both reliability and control. The engine and catalytic converter have been recently replaced, ensuring smooth and dependable performance. Inside, the truck's interior remains in good condition, showing only normal wear consistent with age and use. Number 3. 2000 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500. It has traveled 193,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it features a bold red exterior paired with a sleek black interior, giving it a classic yet timeless appearance. Known for its strong build quality and proven dependability, this truck embodies the essence of classic American design: practical, durable, and easy to maintain. With its efficient engine, straightforward mechanics, and affordable upkeep, the S10 is ideal for both work and everyday driving. It offers smooth handling and versatility, making it suitable for light hauling, commuting, or personal use. The 2000 Chevrolet S10 remains a solid and practical choice for anyone seeking a small truck that balances durability, efficiency, and everyday utility. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1975 GMC 1500, price $6,900. The truck has recorded 159,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a timeless white exterior complemented by a matching white interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. Powered by a sturdy 350 engine, this 1976 GMC stepside comes with current registration tags and power windows. The truck runs, but it's considered a project vehicle perfect for collectors or enthusiasts who enjoy restoring vintage models. With its dependable 350 engine, smooth automatic transmission, and distinctive stepside body design, this GMC combines strength, style, and nostalgia, making it a great candidate for a full restoration or a custom classic build. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500. The truck is a classic pickup that has covered 50,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a brown exterior paired with a beige interior, giving it a timeless and vintage appeal. This particular model is equipped with a powerful 454 automatic engine, making it both strong and reliable on the road. The truck starts smoothly and runs exceptionally well, reflecting the care it has received. It recently underwent a complete tune-up, which included new spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor cap, distributor rotor, ignition coil, ignition module, as well as an oil change. Additionally, the choke, carburetor, and timing were all adjusted for optimal performance. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,500. It features a 5.7-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2-wheel drive system, offering solid performance and classic dependability. The truck comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, both of which have been well cared for and recently refreshed. Among its key upgrades are new paint, a new windshield, new tires, new headlights, a new headliner, and a new cloth dash cover, all of which contribute to its clean, updated appearance. Inside, the truck includes power windows and a new armrest, providing a touch of comfort and convenience. Although the AM/FM radio currently doesn't power on and the heating/air conditioning system needs to be recharged, these are minor issues compared to the overall condition of the vehicle. Functionality is further enhanced by practical towing features such as a ball in the bed for trailers and a receiver hitch on the back, making it ready for hauling and work use. Number 7. 1978 Chevrolet Big 10, price $7,000, comes with an automatic transmission and showcases a bold blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless classic appeal. Under the hood, it runs on a 350 engine fitted with a mild cam and a new 3-finger clutch, with less than 500 miles on all the recent upgrades. This truck runs strong and delivers a solid driving experience, though it could use some cosmetic attention to bring out its full potential. Key features include its dependable automatic transmission, smooth-performing gasoline engine, and recently updated mechanical components that enhance both its reliability and performance. Overall, it's a great example of a vintage Chevy that combines power, character, and potential for restoration. Number 8. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, powered by a 5.7L V8 engine that still delivers strong performance and plenty of power. The exterior, finished in blue, shows some typical signs of age, including minor rust on the driver's side rocker panel and a few small dents, but nothing major for a nearly 30-year-old truck. Despite these imperfections, the body remains straight and presentable. Inside, the tan interior is in excellent condition, the seats are clean and well kept, and the dashboard is free of cracks, which is uncommon for trucks of this vintage. Everything inside feels solid and well maintained, reflecting careful ownership over the years. While the truck does have a code indicating a misfire on cylinder 1, it still runs and drives smoothly, showing that it remains a dependable classic pickup overall. Number 9. 1997 Ford F-150, price $1,995, powered by a strong and reliable 4.6L V8 engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission. It delivers a comfortable and confident driving experience. With 175,000 miles on the odometer, this F-150 remains in good condition and continues to perform reliably. Its exterior is finished in an eye-catching turquoise color that highlights its classic design, while the interior offers a comfortable gray cabin with durable materials suited for everyday use. This model runs solidly, offering plenty of room and practicality, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a trustworthy work truck or an affordable daily driver. It comes with a clean title and is ready to hit the road. Number 10. 1966 GMC Sierra, price $5,500. Features a manual transmission and comes in a sleek gray exterior paired with a silver interior. Powered by a 230 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine with a 3-on-the-tree column shift manual gearbox, this classic pickup delivers a truly vintage driving experience. It's a 2-wheel drive model with a long bed, ideal for both utility and style. The truck runs well and comes with a clean title, making it a great choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for an authentic mid-60s GMC in solid condition.